your life easy. When it comes to creating content, everybody wants to create branded content that looks good, especially on Instagram. I found the more organic, the more natural it is, the better it is. It's so time consuming creating branded things. But some of our content on platforms like Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn and wherever else needs to be branded, right? I'm going to show you the software that I use in case you don't know. It's called Canva. I've got the premium version. Let's go to Canva over here. See here, brand, click on the brands. Set up your brand kit. Okay, this Pink and Savage, Bunny Trade Bait, Letitia Malacuti, another business that I manage. All right, you set up your colors, you set up your fonts. That's it. Every time you want to create something like this, go here. Let's go Instagram Reel. Perfecto. Now check this out. Create your templates. Create a few templates that suit your business. Let's say you're in the food business, right? Just like that. And then double click that. Let's go to brand over here. Brand. Let's say we want this to be for Bunny Trade Bait. See that? It automatically brands it for me based on my colors and fonts and whatever else. That's perfect. Now upload your video over here. Videos. Let's put something short behind it. Perfect. Now this is the thing that let's pause that. Let's just say you want to make this shorter. Click there. See that up here? There. You can manage where the video starts. How good's that? This is how I create reels fast. Change the color just for this instance. See caption. Love it. Now let's move this down here. Now when you create branded reels, you do look more professional. We can't deny that. And some do say that you get more engagement, you get more brand awareness. Definitely the text over the screen, when it's nice, it gets more attention. But on TikTok, it doesn't seem to work for me. Now on TikTok, something else works. I'm going to show you in a second, okay? Let me just delete that. Now I'm going to show you another trick. There's so much to learn with this, but let's keep it easy. Click on elements. This is not the best way to do it. I just drag that over here. I'm going to make that there. Just want a little bit of a background. Perfect. Now see up here on the top right, go like that, transparency. There you go. Now we can do any color we want. It could be on brand colors. Doesn't look very orange, does it? So maybe there's a bit of an error. Who knows? Click on it again. There you go. Click on that. Now we've got it happening. Perfect. Transparency. Beautiful. Now you can put dark if you want, whatever. The world's your oyster, right? We're just playing around. But my OCD kicks in, so now we're not playing around. Bear with me while we do this. Cool. Like that. This parent reels fast. Love it. Now. So now we're just going to download this. Download the video. Beautiful. There. Now check this out. Click that. You can create lots more designs. So do whatever you want. Over here, let's just say that you are a coach. Type there under designs. All these things come there. You can edit it. You can do whatever you want. The world is your oyster. Once you've got all your templates, every week you come in here, you upload your files, you change the text, and you got your 7 videos for the week, 10 videos for the week. And Bob's your uncle. Now, take this there. There you go. Once again, you can change the colors. You can do whatever you want, or you can click on the brand section over here. Brand. Where is it? Can anybody see brand? Brand. Fantastic. So let's just say this is for, it's for that brand again, okay? I'll have to, some of these things you can't change the colors. They're just like elements. You'll just have to replace them. Now I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. Perfect. Now I've downloaded my file over here. I'm going to transfer it to my phone. Share. One moment. I got it. Good. Very good. Now, shared it to myself. Good. Now I'm going to go post my reel. That's how you create reels really fast. The other option is CapCut. CapCut has got lots of templates and they use trending sounds. It's good for gym videos. It's good for some reels, but I like the flexibility of Canva. I like the customizations. I like how it's easy. It can be done on the desktop. With CapCut, it's an app and you pay about $12 a month. You can also get the desktop version, but I don't have time. I don't have time for CapCut on desktop. This serves me quite well. Now let's go over here, designs. Check this out. Homepage actually. Home. Now, if you want to create, I'm going to show you something very special. Do you see these? These are my reels for the personal brand. Look at all the templates I've created. One. Look at that. Perfect. With time-lapse videos. I'm a big fan of time-lapse videos. They're quite trendy on Instagram too. You showcase what you're working on in the background, a hook over the video, a little bit of a visual hook. Now, let's go here. I like this one. So these are all the templates that I've got. I customized. Now, if you want to know how to create reels that can go viral, I studied for about 14 days and created a free resource. All you have to do is click the link above on my profile on Instagram and TikTok and get access to it. And you'll see why we're keeping the videos short and why that works on Instagram. We're trying to keep retention. All right, people have a short attention span. We're trying to stop the scroll by putting a hook on the screen that captures their attention. So what captures it? What does your target audience want? What hook can you put over the screen that can stop them and make them read below the caption? So if you want to know all about creating hooks and how to create reels that are shorter and stop the scroll, go get that free resource and you'll learn all about it. But this video is dedicated to how to create branded videos. Hope you appreciate it. We got this.